It's club member time. Are you ready? Get set. Oh my goodness gracious, you guys, look at this. Okay, dun 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 dun. Are you ready? It is called Crazy Sweater to Stamp. Now, you know the whole thing about the ugly sweaters at Christmas time and things like that. Well, I am not going to call any stamp set I make ugly because it's not. So this is called Crazy Sweaters to Stamp because you know what? You can make it a cute sweater if you want to. There is nothing wrong with that. Now, look at how cute this is. First, you're getting the sweater. Then you're getting little add-ons for the sweater. You're also getting a cute little tree to decorate the sweater. You're getting some ornaments and you're getting some fun words like warmest wishes for a cool winter. It's sweater season. Hey, wishing you a wonderful winter. You're cuter than this ugly sweater. Is this jolly enough? And oh my goodness, are you ready? Now, if you're a Stamp Club member, boom, this stamp set is being sent to you, whoosh, automatically. Ken gets up extra early, gets them into the mail ASAP on the 1st of every month. Do you want to know what time he sets his alarm? 1 a.m. Let me tell you, I told you early. Now, of course, Stamp Club members, you're also getting the handy dandy postcard and access to the gallery that's online to see all the amazing samples by our design team. In fact, you can even upload your designs as well once you get your stamp set. Now, if you're a Stamp Club member, awesome, this is what you're getting. If you're a die-hard club member, die-hard club members are the ones that love the stamp set, but they are not gonna touch a pair of scissors to cut them out. So they get the dies that match. What? I know. This is actually our most popular club out of all of the clubs we have, the stamps and the dies that match. Now, of course, you're still getting access to the gallery and the cute little postcard, but you're also getting all of the dies that match, which just changes the world, right? I mean, come on, the Die Hard Club is the Die Hard Club. The Die Hard Club is the club to be in. It is the most popular. Now, let's check out the awesome samples our design team made. I brag about our design team all the time because let me tell you, they are amazing. They are awesome. I love each and every one of them. But look at how fun these are. Look at this. Look at that cute little sweater, little dies. Now, if you see something that might not be on that stamp set, guess what, my friends? There are add-ons as well, so make sure you check those out. But look at how cute those are. Look at this one in standard Christmas colors. Don't you just love that? I know, it's gorgeous. Or you could do a cute little snowman. Oh, isn't that sweet? His little snowman front. Warm winter wishes with the little snowman added. I absolutely love that. Love that black and white plaid, right? From the day-to-day pad. Love it. Oh my goodness gracious, look at that little reindeer. The reindeer is on the add-on set, so go check that out. But look at how cute all those snowflakes. May your sweater bring smiles and giggles. I love it. Okay, oh, you guys, look at this one. Look at how cute that is. The sunglasses die, so cute. It's got the little reindeer on there. Warmest wishes for a cool winter. I love it. Love it, love it, love it. Now here's another one. This one's awesome because this is using that sweater background die that's brand new as well. Go check that out, you guys, I'm telling you. And look at how fun those sweaters are. Now, again, club members, yours are already on their way to you. You don't have to do anything. But if you're interested in any of the add-on dies, go to our website ASAP because let me tell you a secret. The first 24 hours they're on our website, they're on flash sale. And if you're a club member, there's a good chance you'll be able to get in on the bundle. The bundle is an extra 5% off. So it's regular price, which our regular price is amazing, by the way. Regular price, then flash sale price, then bundle price, then you get your club discount on top of it. We are talking rock bottom prices. I probably make $1 in profit, let me tell you, but it's worth it because you get more goodies in your hands. So go to our website, thestampsoflife.com. If you are not in the club, you will not see that bundle. Join the club ASAP. You can even just be in the stamp club. Join a club, any club, to get in on that bundle. Once you join the club, boom, that bundle will show up on your website. So go check it out, thestampsoflife.com. I'll see you there. Bye-bye. so much for watching. Now, make sure you subscribe to our channel right below us here so you don't miss out on any of our videos. You'll also have the option to click the Shop Now button or check out some of these other videos that we have on YouTube, because you know what? You're gonna love them. I'll see you soon. Bye-bye.